constants in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about constants in Python programming language. So, what is the meaning of a constant in Python programming language? A constant is a type of variable whose value cannot be changed. It's helpful to think of constants as containers that hold information or any kind of data which can't be changed later. Also, in Python programming language, constants are usually declared and assigned in a separate file or module. This is the best way to make your program more organized and more readable. Also, you should know that constants are written in uppercase letters and underscores separating the words. And that is the perfect syntax for constants in Python programming language. Let's take a simple example of two constant variables. The first constant we have here is called pi, and its value is 3.14. And the second one is gravity, and its value is 9.8. But you have to know that in the real examples or the real programs, we don't use constants in Python programming language like in many programming language. Naming variables in all uppercase letters is a convention to separate them from variables. However, it doesn't actually prevent reassignment. So, unlike many programming languages, if you try to change the value of the constant variables that we created, you will find that they change without any error. And this is not one of the features of the constants in programming generally. That's it. If you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.